Right, so may pasyente tayo, Epson L3250, blinking red. So basically, nagbi-blink din yung Wi-Fi. Yan, L3250. Reset yung gagawin natin. So, yung resetter nito, hindi ko nagkakamali, pwede rin yung resetter ng Epson L3210. Alright? So, yung resetter ng L3210 ang i-open natin to reset this unit. So, naka-turn on, connected na yung white cable. Let's do this. I-open natin yung ating resetter tool. I-open natin yung resetter. Yung L3210, pwede dito. Okay. So, nagbi-blink siya. Then, dito tayo sa may select. And then, model. Yun, pasok nga, L3250. Then, okay. Then, particular adjustment mode. And then, dito tayo sa may waste ink pad counter. Okay. Check natin lahat to. Main pad, flatten, ink system pad. Then, click natin ang check. And then, check natin ulit. Then, click natin ang initialize. Okay. Then, please turn off the printer. Turn off natin. Alright, so okay na mga kaibigan. Thank you for watching.